Class today we'll talk about how can you delete all download on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down. So then you come here to delete all downloads, you just click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on delete here. So then it's going to delete with you here on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.